Kospet Optimus Pro smartwatch. Dual chip system is an amazing smartwatch phone, which comes with top-notch features. Just like the Kospet Hope 4G smartwatch phone, the Kospet Optimus Pro is embedded with two independent processors, two different operation systems, upgraded ceramic watch bezel, dual improved color and hardness, and other amazing features which we would be looking at shortly. The Kospet Optimus Pro smartwatch phone applies a ceramic watch bezel with high-end material that has the same texture as a premium brand watch, revealing luxurious feature. It comes in an upgraded ceramic watch bezel, dual improved color and hardness. It applies the most advanced ceramic manufacturing technology in the industry. Each ceramic watch bezel has gone through 25 processes, 300 hours of carving, which brings up its pure color, lightweight, strong wear resistance, and 30% increased hardness. Additional features are preloaded Google Apps, weather forecast, calendar, sedentary reminder, map, remote control for camera, alarm, anti-lost, sound recorder, voice search,